To set up Facebook domain verification, click on Manage Apps section. Then, install Facebook Domain Verification app. Here, enter your verification code. To get verification code, register on Meta Business Suite and create your business portfolio. Click on Brand Safety option, then click on Domains option. Here, click on Add button. Continue with Create a new domain option. Here, enter your domain name. Now here, select Upload an HTML file to your root directory option and download HTML verification file. Then copy your verification code and paste it in your verification code field. Then click on Save Setting. Now click on Verify Domain. Your domain will get verified within 72 hours.